Hello kids, let's learn the shapes. Today we will look at different types of chocolate shapes. Yes, it is a heart-shaped chocolate bar. Yes, it's a circle-shaped chocolate bar. It's a rectangle shape.
Wow!
Pentagon. Square. Triangle. Let's remember the shapes again. Circle. Heart. Rectangle. Triangle. Square. Pentagon.
Chocolate is so yummy!
Circle. Square. Triangle. Pentagon. It's coloring time. Red color. Pink color. Brown color. Yellow color. Orange color. Blue color. Bottle green color. Green color. Green color. Color the circle. Green color circle. Circle. Pink color. Color the heart. Pink color heart. Heart. Blue color. Color the rectangle. Blue color rectangle. Rectangle. Red color. Color the triangle. Red color triangle. Triangle. Orange color. Color the square. Orange color square. Square. Yellow color. Color the pentagon. Yellow color pentagon. Pentagon. Let's learn the shapes and colors again for the last time. Circle. Green color. Heart. Pink color. Rectangle. Blue color. Triangle. Red color. Square. Orange color. Pentagon. Yellow color. And there you have it, young artists. I hope you enjoyed this colorful journey with me. And I'll see you next time on Draw Learn Kids. Bye bye.